Hi, I'm Edward Gibbons-Brown, and these are cocktails for the quarantine. When you hear the word daiquiri, what do you think of? Something super sweet and blended with artificial fruit syrups? Maybe a bad night on Bourbon Street? Woo! Give me the beads! Rest assured, that's not the drink we're making today. A good daiquiri is one of life's simple pleasures, and when better than a quarantine to shake things up? I'll show you how to make a great daiquiri, and because times are tough, we're going to do it on a budget. Let's dive right in and start with the booze. Bacardi. Made in Puerto Rico with a rich Cuban heritage, Bacardi is one of the world's most popular spirit brands. This style of rum is column distilled and filtered for a clean, light flavor, perfect for a citrusy cocktail like this. This bottle costs $24.99 at my local liquor store. That works out to 84 cents per cocktail. Let's gather some supplies. It's a quick run to the grocery store today, which is lucky because I was holding my breath the entire time. All we need today are limes and some sugar. Limes were $2.50 for a 2-pound bag. We're using about 2 limes today. The sugar was $4.49 for the canister. We'll be using a little over 2 teaspoons of sugar per cocktail. That brings the total price tag for this daiquiri to $1.34. We'll be prepping lime juice and simple syrup today. We juiced limes for our margarita video, and we made simple syrup for the old-fashioned, so I'm going to go ahead and do this at my regular bartender speed. That was fast! I'm a professional though, so your results may vary. I love a daiquiri in a Nick and Nora glass. If you don't have one though, no problem. Use anything with a stem, about a 5-ounce capacity. That's the perfect size for this cocktail. Very important though, put your glass in the freezer. Get that glass nice and cold. I'm gonna build this daiquiri in a tin shaker setup, but you can shake in anything with a sealable lid. A mason jar, a takeout container, that protein shake bottle that you got when you went on keto for 1 week and then ate an entire tub of chocolate frosting to the face. Or is that just me? I'll be measuring my ingredients with a jigger today. If you don't have fancy bartender stuff like this, guess what? Just grab your measuring cups and spoons, and you can still make the exact same drink. Alright, let's make a daiquiri. We'll start with 1 ounce or 2 tablespoons of lime juice. 3/4 ounces or 4.5 teaspoons of simple syrup. 2 ounces or 1/4 cup rum. Now that our cocktail is built, we will quickly set up our garnish and set it aside. I'll be shaking with 4 of these 1-inch cubes, but you can use whatever ice you have handy. Just fill your shaking vessel up about 2/3 of the way. It doesn't matter how you shake, as long as you shake hard for about 10 to 12 seconds, or approximately half a hand wash. My hands are the germiest part, so I'm scrubbing off all of the corona. Grab your ice cold glass, and let's shake it up. Oh hey, you like jokes? Me too. Did you know we end every video with a joke? Hang around till the end, you'll see what I mean. Okay, let's do it. I like to double strain for a more uniform texture. There it is. That's your daiquiri. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video or made this drink, please take a moment to tip your bartender. That's me. This is a really difficult time for the hospitality industry. Many of us were already living paycheck to paycheck and found ourselves out of work overnight, worried about food, shelter, and paying our bills. There's a link with this video you can use to leave me a tip. Any amount is deeply appreciated. Please share this video on your own social media channels as well, and leave us a comment to let us know what you'd like to see next. Thank you so much again. Stay safe out there, everybody. Stay healthy. Take care of yourselves and wash your hands. Cheers. So there's a chicken farmer. Walks into a bar, orders a virgin daiquiri. The woman next to him says, I'm drinking a virgin daiquiri too. What a coincidence, says the farmer. I'm celebrating today. I'm celebrating today too, says the woman. What a coincidence, says the chicken farmer. What are you celebrating? Well, my husband and I, we've been trying to have a child, and today my doctor told me I'm pregnant. What a coincidence, says the chicken farmer. I've been trying to get my chickens pregnant, and today it finally worked. That's great, says the woman. How'd you get your chickens pregnant? Oh, I switched cocks, says the chicken farmer. What a coincidence, says the woman. Good night, everybody.